Hello, today we will guide you through how to create an org chart in Lucidchart. To begin, open Lucidchart and go to your Documents area. This is the main workspace where your files and diagrams are stored, and it's the right place to start whenever you want to create something new. Once you're there, look for the New button and click it. This opens the options for starting a fresh diagram. From the menu that appears, choose Create from Template. Using a template is one of the easiest ways to build an org chart because it gives you a ready-made structure instead of starting from a blank page. This can save time and make it much easier to organize reporting relationships clearly. Next, use the search field and type org chart. As you type, Lucidchart will filter the available templates so you can quickly find the one you need. When the org chart template appears, click on it to preview or select it. This step helps make sure you're choosing the correct layout for your organization. After selecting the template, click Use Template. Lucidchart will open the template in the editor so you can begin customizing it. At this point, you'll see a structured chart already in place, which is helpful because you can focus on editing the content rather than building the layout from scratch. From here, follow the on-screen procedure to edit the org chart. Typically, this means clicking into the existing text fields and replacing the placeholder information with your own team structure, titles, and departments. Take your time as you update each section so the chart stays accurate and easy to read. If needed, you can adjust spacing and layout as you work to keep everything neat and visually balanced. A useful tip while editing is to review the hierarchy from top to bottom as you go. This helps you confirm that leadership roles, managers, and direct reports are positioned correctly. It's also a good idea to keep naming and job title formatting consistent throughout the chart for a more polished final result. Once your updates are complete, give the chart one last review on screen. Make sure the structure reflects your organization clearly and that all entries are placed in the right locations. Starting from a template makes this process much smoother, especially if you need a professional-looking org chart quickly. That's how to create an org chart in Lucidchart using a template.